Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we have something truly special, an icon reborn, a legend reimagined. The Aston Martin DB5 is one of the most celebrated cars in history, forever linked to James Bond and the golden era of motoring. Now, in 2025, Aston Martin has brought this legend into the modern world while retaining every ounce of its timeless appeal. This is not just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Whether you're an Aston Martin fan, a classic car lover, or someone who appreciates automotive craftsmanship, the 2025 DB5 is a car that demands attention. Today, we'll dive deep into its history, design, performance, technology, and what makes it one of the most extraordinary cars of the modern era. So, buckle up, and let's take a ride through time and innovation with the 2025 Aston Martin DB5. A brief history of the DB5. To fully appreciate the 2025 DB5, we need to step back and revisit where it all started. Originally introduced in 1963, the Aston Martin DB5 quickly became a symbol of British luxury and performance. With only 1,059 units ever produced, the DB5 was already rare, but its status skyrocketed when it appeared in the 1964 James Bond film Goldfinger. The original DB5 was powered by a 4.0-litre straight-six engine producing around 282 horsepower, capable of reaching a top speed of 145 mph, impressive figures for its time. It was the epitome of British engineering, with a design by Carrozzeria Touring of Milan and an interior wrapped in pure luxury. Fast forward to today, and Aston Martin has revived this legend, but with a modern twist. It's not a mere continuation of the classic, it's a blend of heritage and contemporary innovation. Exterior design, classic meets modern. At first glance, the 2025 DB5 looks almost identical to the original. The same elegant silhouette, the signature front grille, and the rounded headlights remain. But look closer, and you'll notice subtle refinements that bring it into the 21st century. Aston Martin has used a lightweight aluminium and carbon fiber blend for the body, improving strength and reducing weight. The iconic wire wheels have been reimagined with a modern twist, offering a blend of vintage aesthetics and contemporary performance. The chrome bumpers and trim have been meticulously crafted, staying true to the original car while benefiting from modern production techniques for better durability. Even the paintwork is a tribute to the past, with Aston Martin offering a selection of heritage colors, including the famous silver birch that Bond fans will instantly recognize. One of the most striking updates is the lighting system. While the round headlights look vintage, they now feature state-of-the-art LED technology for enhanced visibility. The taillights, too, have been subtly updated, maintaining the classic shape while incorporating modern efficiency. Under the hood, a blend of classic and cutting edge. Here's where things get even more interesting. The original DB5 was powered by a naturally aspirated straight-six engine, but the 2025 model offers multiple powertrain options. Aston Martin understands that some purists want the raw, mechanical experience, while others prefer cutting-edge performance. The standard version features a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8, producing an estimated 500 horsepower. This engine, derived from Aston Martin's current lineup, delivers an exhilarating yet refined driving experience. For those who crave nostalgia, Aston Martin offers a limited run of naturally aspirated straight-six models, meticulously engineered to replicate the original DB5's sound and feel. These models use modern materials and technology to enhance reliability without compromising the essence of the classic. But here's the game changer: a fully electric variant. Yes, Aston Martin has introduced an F version of the DB5 for those who want zero-emissions performance with a classic look. This model features a high-performance battery pack and an electric motor capable of delivering 600 horsepower. It accelerates faster than any DB5 before it, all while maintaining the car's timeless charm. Driving experience. the feel of a legend. Driving the 2025 Aston Martin DB5 is an experience like no other. Whether you opt for the V8, the straight six, or the electric version, each variant offers a unique but equally thrilling drive. The steering has been finely tuned to provide a perfect balance between classic feedback and modern precision. Unlike many modern cars that rely heavily on electronic steering assistance, the DB5 retains a level of engagement that makes every drive feel special. The suspension has been upgraded with adaptive dampers, allowing for a comfortable yet sporty ride. While the original DB5 had a rather firm suspension setup, the 2025 model strikes a perfect balance between comfort and handling. For the manual transmission lovers, Aston Martin offers a traditional 6-speed manual gearbox, keeping the driving experience as authentic as possible. For those who prefer convenience, a modern 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters is also available. The electric variant, while silent, provides an instant surge of torque, making it the fastest DB5 ever built. But don't worry, Aston Martin has engineered a sound profile that replicates the growl of a classic engine, ensuring that even the F version delivers an emotional connection. Interior, luxury and craftsmanship. Step inside the 2025 DB5, and you'll find an interior that perfectly blends classic charm with modern technology. The dashboard retains its vintage-inspired layout, featuring hand-stitched leather, polished wood trim, and classic toggle switches. However, hidden within this nostalgic design are cutting-edge features. A retractable touchscreen infotainment system provides access to navigation, media, and connectivity options. The analog dials may look old school, but they house digital displays that can be customized to show a variety of information. The seats are crafted from the finest leather and are designed for both comfort and support. Unlike the original DB5, which had a relatively tight cabin, the 2025 model offers slightly more space, ensuring a comfortable ride for both driver and passenger. And, of course, what would a DB5 be without a few James Bond-inspired touches? Certain trims include hidden compartments, a built-in performance tracker, and even an optional ejector seat button purely for fun. Of course, technology and safety, modern innovations. Despite its vintage appearance, the 2025 DB5 is packed with the latest automotive technology. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensure a safe and secure ride. Connectivity is seamless, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system designed by Aston Martin's audio partners. The car also features a state-of-the-art security system, including biometric entry and GPS tracking, an essential feature for such an exclusive vehicle. Pricing and availability. Now, the big question: how much does the 2025 Aston Martin DB5 cost? As expected, this level of craftsmanship and exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The base V8 model starts at around $500,000. While the naturally aspirated straight 6 and F versions command even higher price tags. Limited edition Bond-themed versions, featuring exclusive detailing and special features, can reach well over $1 million. Production numbers are limited, with only a few hundred units planned. Aston Martin wants to keep the DB5 as exclusive as ever, making it a true collector's piece. Final thoughts. The rebirth of a legend. The 2025 Aston Martin DB5 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It pays homage to the past while embracing the future, offering something for every kind of enthusiast. Whether you admire it for its history, its stunning design, or its cutting-edge engineering, there's no denying that the DB5 remains one of the most iconic cars ever built. Would you choose the classic straight 6? The powerful V8, or the electric version? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive car content. Until next time, Drive safe and stay passionate about cars. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.